right, good morning, second graders. We are getting ready to continue on with our math. Now, I know the video came on yesterday for 1.3. Technical difficulties with getting them put on happened, and we're trying to get them on. So I'm going to go ahead and do 1.4 today. Both videos will still be up, and then we'll get the pages that you need to do as soon as we can. So apologies. Hopefully we can get them up soon. Okay, well, like what I said, we're going to go and do the video for lesson 1.4, expanded form. And the essential question says, how do you describe a two-digit number as tens and ones? So yesterday we did a little bit of the base 10 blocks or counting cubes. So we're going to start off with, let's do 38. Oh, I do this every time. Forget to hit my thing here. Okay, 38. Okay, so we're going to come down here and we're going to put 38, and we are going to use these counting cubes, or what we call base 10 blocks. So first off, you got to look over here. 38. What goes in the tens? What goes in the ones? Okay, so well, we know 8 is in the ones department, so I'm going to come over here and put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and the 3 goes in the tens department. Let me put a O for 1 and a T for 10. Okay, so can I make these for the tens? Nope, I've got to make the sticks. 1, 2, 3. So 38. 3 tens, 8 ones. All right, and we're going to continue on with that through the remainder of this lesson. Okay, in the next page, page 32, it says model and draw. And it starts off here, it says, what does 23 mean? Well, 23 means there's 2 tens and 3 ones. You can also come down here and see they wrote 2 tens, same thing as that, 3 ones, same thing as that. And the value of 2 tens is 20. The value of 3 ones is 3. Okay, so let's look down here. The number we have is 37. Okay, it says draw a quick picture to show the numbers described in the number in 2 ways. So in a picture, you could do this. I forgot to put my thing back up. Get that out of the way. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. There's the picture. And down here, these are tens. How many tens did I use? I used 3 tens. How many ones? I used 7 ones. So the picture represents 3 tens and 7 ones. Now we're going to come down here and look at the value. What's the value of 3 tens? Well, if I count by 10, I go 10, 20, 30. And I'm going to add the value of 7 ones, which is 7. And that gives us the answer to 37. We're going to do the same thing here. Draw a quick picture. Number is 54. So in your mind, you got to be thinking I have 5 tens and 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens, and 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. I hope I said that at the beginning. 5 tens and 4 ones. Okay, so how many of these sticks did I make to represent 50? 5, so I use 5 10 sticks. And how many 1 cubes? I used 4. And what's the value of 5 tens? Is 50. Remember, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And the value of 4 ones is 4. You add these together and the sum is 54. Awesome job. I'm going to have you finish that page here. Remember, draw the picture and then fill in these spots. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and read number 7 for you. And you can always go back to it when you're actually have the page in there and have it read to you again, or you can have mom, dad, brother, sister, aunt, uncle, somebody can read it for you. Okay, it says, Riley has some toy dinosaurs. The number she has is 1 less than 50. So I think what's 1 less than 50? I come up here. You see the number 50 in blue, 1 to the left would be 1 less. Okay, and then you can write that up in 2 different ways. And then your Think Smarter. Eric has 4 bags of 10 marbles. Think of your pictures. And 6 single marbles. How many does he have altogether? Remember, 4 bags of 10 marbles. You can draw your picture like we did up here. Okay. Again, I think you're doing a good job with this and understanding the concept here. So we're going to go back, show you the rest of the pages, and once those pages come up on Schoology, you'll be set to go. It's 9 through 12. It says make connections. Use crayons to follow the steps. Okay, so number 9 says start at 51 and draw a green line to 43. So 51 is right here, 5 tens, 1 1, to 43, 4 tens and 3 ones. So you really gotta read those. The next one is 43 to 34, 34 to 29, 29 to 72. Okay. Down here, just go ahead and read that. Draw a picture to show the number 26. Describe the number 26 in 2 ways. Exactly what we did on the other page. And you can just draw your picture right there. This next page here is just practice and homework. It's just basically what we've already done. Okay, again, like what I said, we'll get those pages out just as soon as we can. There's some formatting we have to do to make the pages where you can actually work on them in Schoology. So unfortunately, sometimes we do it, put it in, and it just doesn't work. We have to go back and redo it. So hopefully those will be out just as soon as possible. All right, and we will talk to you all later. Remember, Zoom meetings, morning meetings are every day for everyone. Start at 8:30. Those meetings will not last very long, just more for at this point, take attendance, and so we can get started with our day. You have a good day, and we'll see you soon.